Social media has rapidly changed the marketing landscape of the last few years, and in many ways it has really leveled the playing field between billion-dollar companies and us little guys with online businesses at home. If you learn how to unlock the power of social media, even the beginner affiliate marketer can create a multiple six, or even seven-figure business online with social media. Hey, this is Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com, and today I'm going to give you 5 critical steps in creating a multiple six-figure affiliate marketing business on social media. Now, tip number 1, instead of focusing on selling, you need to focus on building the know, like, and trust factor with your audience. People only buy from those they know, like, and trust. If people don't know you, if they don't like you, or they don't trust you, you're just wasting your energy trying to get a sale. Think about it. If you are on your way to Best Buy to buy a new TV, you've done your research, you know the exact model that you want to get, and you're sitting at a stoplight on the drive there, and some kind of shady guy walks up to you with a shopping cart and a box that has the label for the exact model, the television you're going to go buy. And he offers to sell it to you for less than what you are about to pay at Best Buy. Would you buy it? For most people, that's a definite no. Why? Because you don't know, you don't like, and you don't trust this guy. You have no faith that it would work, the television that you purchased, and you have no faith that it isn't just some stolen merchandise. So you continue on your way to Best Buy to pay more for the television, but to have more peace of mind. You know Best Buy. You've liked your previous purchasing experience with them, and you trust that you'll be buying exactly what you're told it is and that it works. So focus on building that know, like, and trust factor with your audience. So tip number 2 is that you need to provide value. People aren't on social media to shop. They are there to be entertained, to connect with others, and to get information. So you need to provide them with value that fits into one or more of these reasons. So whatever your industry, your niche is, provide useful information that your audience will appreciate. Connect with your audience, engaging with them on posts and through messages, and whenever possible, entertain them as well. Doing these 3 things will bring people back to your profiles, back to your posts time and time again, and you will start to build a loyal following who knows, likes, and trusts you. Tip number 3 is to leverage private communities. Now, the algorithms on social media, particularly Facebook, but elsewhere as well, are getting harder and harder to get people to see your content, to see your posts, unless you're paying for ads. So a great way to get your message in front of your loyal followers is to create private groups for them. Now, on Facebook, you can create a private group page, but even on Instagram, Twitter, or even WhatsApp, you can create group messages. Leveraging these groups is a great way to make sure that those most interested in your content will see it each and every day. Tip number 4, stay focused. Oftentimes people start working on multiple social media platforms, a little bit on Facebook, then they head over, do a little bit on Instagram, maybe a little bit on Twitter, spreading yourselves over multiple platforms and really becoming stretched too thin. You can't fully commit to just crushing a single strategy. So instead of trying to do them all, focus on crushing one strategy, say Instagram. Be committed to consistently creating content, engaging with your audience, networking with others on the platform, and responding to messages. When you totally focus your efforts on one strategy, you are able to accomplish a lot more. You can gain traction and really master that strategy. Instead of trying to become a jack of all trades and a master of none, master one strategy. You will build a much more successful business doing it that way. Tip number 5, build an email list. Even though you're building an audience and a following on social media, it can be taken away from you without notice at any point in time. The platforms may change their policies, or maybe their bots just incorrectly think you did something wrong, and good luck getting them to change their mind. And you wake up one morning and poof, your account is gone. You don't own these social media accounts, and they can take them away in a flash. That is why it is critical to your long-term stability and growth that you're building an email list. Use social media accounts to build the know, like, and trust factor with your audience, and offer them a free giveaway that they need to enter their email address in to receive. That is how you build an email list. An asset that you actually own yourself. It can't be taken away from you. Not only can you make a lot of money from your email list, but it also is kind of an insurance policy. It gives you the ability to keep working your business no matter what happens on your social media accounts. We have had friends lose their accounts overnight without warning. It happens all the time, so don't think it can't happen to you. Be wise and build an email list. Now, to learn more about a fabulous affiliate marketing program that has great done-for-you ways to build an email list and is set up to get you to a 6-figure business as soon as possible, make sure to click the link at the top of the description. Now, please know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe so that we can help you do that. Say hi in the comments so that we can welcome you to the community. Again, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com. Head over to the next video up here, and I'll see you soon.